Hello lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you have come across this video, thankfully you're going to get to know some amazing budget friendly makeup products suited for oily skin. So with oily skin, it presents unique challenges to anyone in terms of finding the right makeup products for themselves. Not only you're looking for a long lasting flawless makeup, but you also want to find the right kind of products for you to effectively combat the oiliness throughout the day. So me as a person, I have extremely oily and acne prone skin. So I am like always on a mission in finding the right makeup products for me. If you are someone whose makeup melts away by the end of lunchtime, fear not, I am also one among them. I can feel your pain. So if you want to get to know some amazing budget friendly products, please join me till the end of this video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So one of the most essential items in any person's makeup kit would definitely be a good primer. So a well formulated primer will not only provide a smooth canvas to your face before you apply products like a foundation, concealer, setting powder, but it will also help in reducing the appearance of fine lines, pores. It will reduce shine, mattify your skin and control the production of oil on your face to a great extent. And the product that I'll be recommending to you all is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Normal to Oily SPF 20 Prime. So what I like about this product a lot is that it's very travel friendly. It doesn't leave any mess around, and it has a cream like consistency to it. It's like easy to apply on your face. You just need to apply a moisturizer first, wait for a few minutes, then apply a pieces amount all over your face evenly, and then apply other products like foundation, etc. And it doesn't dry out my face. It effectively reduces all those problems like fine lines, pores, reduces shine. So I would really recommend this product and it's amazing. So the next product that I would like to recommend to you all is a good foundation as well as a good BB cream. So when it comes to good foundation for oily skin, please don't go for those oil-based heavy foundation because they'll make your skin look greasy and will cause your makeup to slide off. Instead, use like a good oil-free, lightweight, matte finish foundation because they're typically designed to make your skin look less greasy and to make your makeup last all day long. So some affordable drugstore option that I like to recommend you all is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Normal to Oily SPF 20 Foundation, and I'm in the shade 128. And in terms of a BB cream, it is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Fresh Tint SPF 50 Vitamin C, and I'm in the shade 05. So if you have little to no imperfections, a BB cream will be very good. But if you have more imperfections like acne, blemishes or hyperpigmentation, I would suggest you to go for a foundation because it has a medium to buildable coverage and it's good for even good occasions like a marriage function, an office party and whatsoever. Plus it's very lightweight too, and you can easily apply it with the help of a brush, a makeup blender or with your fingers too. Plus it helps in controlling your oil, mattifying the skin, evening out the skin tone. So I would highly recommend this product and this product too. The next product that I suggest is a concealer, and the concealer I suggest is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer because it's very good for those tiny imperfections you have. Like if you want a higher coverage, like when you use a BB cream or foundation, still it doesn't cover your imperfections properly. This can be like a targeted precision kind of a way to hide your imperfections. So highly recommend this product. And you can use a color corrector too, but I guess for a beginner a color corrector is not recommended. You can once you start mastering the art of makeup more. So the next product that I would recommend to you all guys is a good translucent powder, setting powder or a loose powder. So to set the foundation, you always need a very good powder. That's an essential in any person's makeup kit with extremely oily skin because you want to remove an unwanted shine from your face and you want to achieve that matte look. So always look for loose powder specifically formulated for oily skin because it will help in absorbing that excess oil and prevent the cakey look. So the product that I will recommend to you all is the Sugar Set the Tone Tinted Powder, and I'm in the shade 15 Cappuccino. And it provides a natural luminous matte finish, minimizes the visibility of pores, absorbs excess oil, controls shine, hides imperfections and gives a smoothened look. And it can be used alone also or foundation. As I said, if you have less imperfections or if you want to put less makeup, just put little bit powder with your brush and you're good to go, or with a powder puff. So this is the next product I would recommend to you all. Next product that I will recommend to you all guys is a good eyeshadow palette, because when it comes to a good eyeshadow palette, always go for a matte eyeshadow palette, especially formulated for an oily skinned person. Because when it comes to matte eyeshadows, always go for these neutral, earthy, smoky kind of shades, because they are very flattering for all skin tones, and can easily transition from day to night look. Plus it's very affordable now, that if all the shades that you want are in one eyeshadow palette, because it's a waste to spend money on lot of eyeshadow palettes, because we're talking about something which is budget friendly, right? So the eyeshadow palette that I'll recommend is the PAC. Okay, it's already smudged off because I used it so much. So it's the PAC eyeshadow palette in these beautiful shades, and its pigmentation is amazing and it's very long lasting. So I would highly recommend this product to you all guys, because it has all the good shades and a good shimmery shade, transition shades, base shades, and if you want you can singly apply any shade out of these on your eyelids too. So it's like multifunctional, I guess. So it's a very good product according to me. Next product that I'll recommend is a good eyeliner. So always go for a good gel based or waterproof formulation eyeliner, because that will help to not smudge or transfer your eyeliner throughout the day, and it's well suited for oily eyelids. So I suggest the Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner, and it is a very good application wand, and it's very good for beginners who want to achieve that perfect winged eyeliner. So I will highly recommend this, and it's very pigmented and black, so really good product, suits me very well and very affordable too. Let's go quickly with the eye products. Second is this Colossal Kajal, again waterproof, smudge free kind of a eye kajal, and it's very much essential, quintessential product in any Indian girl's makeup kit, so recommend this. Next is Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. This also has to be waterproof, as I mentioned, for this eyeliner and kajal. Next product that I will recommend is the Nykaa Wow My Brow Eyebrow Palette. Like brows, without brows you don't have a defined structure to your face, right? So I'll recommend this product. It has 3 shades in it, so you can mix and match it according to your preference. So it's a pretty good deal, very affordable too, and comes with a spoolie also, so you can comb your hairs for an even out look. So I will highly recommend this product from Nykaa. So the next product I'll recommend to you all guys is this Sugar Contour de Force Face Palette in Subtle Summit, and I love this product. It's very affordable and it comes in this 3-in-1 type of product. Like it has a blush, a highlight and a bronzer. So basically bronzer helps in contouring your face and structuring your jawline and other areas. As you know, highlighter for those high points, and blush to give that rosy effect to your cheeks. Very affordable palette as well, because it has 3 products in one palette, so you don't have to spend a lot of money on 3 different products as such. And for oily skin, of course, powder formulation are the best. They tend to last more on your skin, so I'll highly recommend this product. So one of the most important products I'll recommend is a fixing spray, a makeup fixing spray. It should be long lasting and oil free makeup fixing spray. The one I'll recommend is a L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Spray and Set Makeup Extender. So basically what it does is that it locks in your makeup and controls the production of excess oil and keeps your skin fresh throughout the day. So I'll definitely recommend. It's very important to have a makeup fixing spray. And last but not the least, we'll go for the lipsticks. So I have a liquid lipstick from Lakme, the Primer Plus Matte Liquid Lip Color, and in the shade Intense Latte, I don't know to pronounce. And I have the Lotus Makeup lipstick in Divine Brown. Basically go for a long lasting formulation. It will keep up through the nail strings and with the nail strings and long hours of chatting. So definitely keep this in mind. So in the end, I would say that you should also implement a good skincare routine also into your regime by applying a good non-comedogenic moisturizer, mattifying serum, also cleanse your face also. I forgot about that. So your basic skincare includes a primer, a foundation, BB cream, concealer, loose translucent powder, then what, eyeliner, kajal, mascara, lipstick, setting spray, blush, bronzer, highlighter. So with these products in your arsenal, you will definitely have a long lasting makeup, flawless makeup without breaking the balance, the bank balance. Yeah, so please keep these things in mind and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like these.